Sir WebTech YouTube channel, we have already started top 500 computer awareness question series. Within this series, we have already covered 4 parts. If you don't watch those parts, I will give the link in the card box as well as in the description box from the below and card box in the above of this video. If you don't watch those videos, please watch those videos because it is more conceptual than the question oriented. It will be useful for scoring better in RRB PO as well as clerk mains exams. Please subscribe and press bell icon to the MSR WebTech YouTube channel to get more important updates of our channel. And today we are covering part 5. Let's get started. Here the question will be, which are the following part of the operating system that manages the essential peripherals? First point, before going to answer this question, you have to know how question can be framed from this question itself. Okay, they asked question like, what is the interface between user and computer hardware? The answer will be operating system. Okay, what I am repeating again, what is the interface between computer user and computer hardware? The answer will be operating system. And essential peripherals means, peripheral means the device which was connected to the system externally with the help of the USB or micro USB. For example, mouse, printer and speakers, like that we are connecting from the externally to the system, so they are known as the peripherals. Okay, here the answer will be that which part of the operating system manages essential peripherals. Okay, let's answer this question by eliminating method. First we are discussing about the RAM is a fastest memory nearer to the CPU, and it is a volatile memory and it is a primary storage memory. It is also known as a primary storage memory. It is actually hardware, not a part of the operating system, so it is the wrong answer. Next one is the application software. Application software is generally used to perform particular task. For example, video player to play videos only, and browser to browse some web pages only, and some photo editing software like Photoshop, like that we use it that for editing the photos only, so it performs particular tasks only. Browser, like that. So to perform particular tasks, application software we use. Okay, it is also wrong answer. Next one is the post means power on self test. Power on self test. Abbreviations also very important in this regard, because each and every point we have to catch because of the less number of posts in today's time. Okay, post, what is the main function of the post generally used to perform each and when you switch on the system, each and every part of the hardware like RAM, ROM, hard disk, motherboard components are working properly or not will be checked by the post itself. If there is any error, it will be intimated to the user automatically with the help of the post in the starting of the power owning of the computer or any other device. Okay, it is not the correct answer. Next, BIOS, basic input output system. So it is the main part of the operating system to manage the peripherals. Okay, like mouse, CPU, keyboard, like these devices. To control those, BIOS is the basic input output software. Okay, let's look into the answer. Answer will be BIOS. Let's go into next question. Which of the following is the shortcut to remove the paragraph or character formatting? Okay, Before answering these questions, I am already told you that learning the shortcuts in a single video will get you boring, as well as we will forget each and everything because of the confusion. So okay, I am covering at least 6 to 10 shortcuts in each and every video. So we will easily remember by the end of this series easily each and every shortcut. Okay, let's look into the shortcuts. Okay, control X to cut the text. Okay, similarly control C to copy the text. Next one is the control P. Control P is to paste the text. Okay, paste the text. Next control B. Control B is for bolding the text. That means to get some thicker text thicker, we use control B. Next one will be control plus U. You press, it will get underlined. Okay, next one will be the control plus space, control plus shift plus decrement operator, that is less than. If you use this, the text size will be gets decreased. Text size will be decreased. If you want to similar way increase the text, we use greater than. Okay, next final thing will be control plus spacebar. Control plus spacebar is used to remove the paragraph or character formatting. Okay, these are the two ways of asking this shortcut. So to answer each and every particular question, we have to get ready with any kind of question. So I am explaining all these things. Moving to the next question, and the correct answer will be control plus space bar. Moving to the next question, which of the following is used to amplify a signal that has lost its original strength in physical layer? Okay, before answering this question, generally to amplify the signal we use amplifier, okay, to strengthen the signal. But here we are asking about this physical layer. Physical layer means OSI-ISO model. I am explaining these things in our previous videos, that is part 2 video. We are already explained this OSI-ISO model. If you don't watch those videos, please watch those from the card box or from the description box. You will get the clarity about these things. Okay, next one will be in physical layer. Generally we physical layer device usually will be repeater. Okay, repeater is used to the amplifying the signal. It is the correct answer. Switch used in data link layer. Bridge used in data link layer. What is the difference between the switch and bridge? Bridge do only broadcasting, don't do unicasting. Okay, switch can do unicasting. Unicasting means it can send, for example, there is two persons like Ramu and Hari. The secret information passed to Ramu must send to only Ramu. Secret information passed to Hari only send to Hari. Okay, if you send the information through bridge, it will pass to both Ramu and Hari, then secrecy will be missing. If you send through switch, it will be reached to Ramu. It is Ramu's, if it is Ramu's information, it can to Hari if it is Hari's information. That is the main difference to maintain secrecy. Switch maintains unicasting and bridge maintains only multi broadcasting. Switch maintains both uni and broadcasting. Next, router. Router is a network layer device. Okay, router is a network layer device for mainly routing. Okay, to transfer packets. I am already explaining these concepts in the previous video. Please watch those videos. I am not going to waste your time. Okay, next thing will be answer will be repeater. Repeater generally used in bus topology. I am also explaining the topologies in the future videos. Bus topology is used in the repeaters. Repeaters is used in bus topology. Okay, which are the following is not a type of routing used by the router? Okay, generally in just before I am telling you about the router for routing the packets, that is routing the information from source to destination, that is for sending the information For example, if you want to go to from A to B, that is from particular source to particular destination, you required a path. So this path may be this way, or this way, or straight route. This path will be decided by the router. There are different types of routings. Static routing, that is straight way. Dynamic routing, you can go to this and go to this, go to this, go to this. Based on that point, routing will be changed. That is not a dynamic default routing. Only one path. Okay, for example, if you going to some particular country, you have different routes like airway, bus route, train route. You can go to the multiple channels, but you have only one route, that is air air as a route. And then you go to the via aeroplane only. Okay, that is known as default routing. These three routings performed by the router, but there is no global routing, and the correct answer will be global routing. Moving forward, choose the different from the following. Okay, here we are using different types of gates. Before going to this, I am explaining about the truth tables in a faster manner. For AND gate, 1 1 means 1, 1 0 means 0, 0 1 means 0, 0 0 means 0. It is the truth table of AND gate. Next, these also asked in questions in upcoming exams in my expectation, because today competition is getting more heavier. OR gate, 1 1 means 1, 1 0 means 1, 0 1 means 1, 1 plus 1 1 1, sorry, 0 0 means 0. It is the OR truth table. Next thing will be inverter. Inverter means this is the symbol of inverter. If you give 1, it will give 0. If you give 0, it will give 1. It is the inverter, just opposite. There are especially two gates. First one is the NAND gate. NAND gate means not plus AND gate. Okay, it is a NAND gate. NAND gate will just quite opposite of that AND gate. Next thing will be NOR gate. NOR gate is another example of universal gates. This question also asked in exams. What are the which of the following gates are the universal gates? NOR and NAND. Okay, it is the opposite of NOR is the opposite of OR gate. Okay, in our question, you will, by the listening the explanation of mine, you can easily answer the question. It is the universal gate, so it is the different one. So these are not the universal gate, it is only universal gate. So let's look into the answer. It is a NAND gate. Next thing will be a mistake in an algorithm that causes incorrect results is called a, okay, algorithm means, before going to what is the meant by algorithm. Algorithm is a step by step process to perform particular task is known as the algorithm. And another question asked in this will be, what is the pictorial representation of algorithm is flowchart. Okay, these are the basic questions. There is too much things, but which will not be needed for you just answering the questions in the exams. So an algorithm, if you cause any errors, it is known as the syntax error, because syntax error related to grammar only. Okay, let's look into the answer. Yes, syntax error. Next thing will be, what is the device for changing the connection on the connector to a different configuration? It is very easy question if you understand it. This is known as the motherboard. We have RAM, we have SMPS, we have hard disk connected. To connect from this thing to this thing, this thing to this thing, this thing to this thing. Okay, to connect like this, we require an connector or device. This is known as the adapter. Okay, let's look at the answer. It is adapter. Moving forward, which are the there, before answering this question, I will explain you How many number of systems are there? Generally we have personal computer. Second one is work station. Third one is mini, micro or mainframe. These three are common. Mainframe. And last and final one is supercomputer. These two things, PC and workstation, are single user computers. Single user. Super and mini or mainframe computers are multi user computers. Let's just keep in the mind this concept. Okay. Generally, if you want to access your mobile itself, you can easily put your mobile in front of your face and just typing. Or if you want to access your system, you can easily type what you need in the your system with the help of the mouse or keyboard. Okay, but in many or mainframe computers, the system is not in front of you, the system is far away from you. So to get this system, we require an interface. Okay, this interface is known as the console. Okay, in the console we access this. Another person want to access, use another console. So another person want to use another console. Okay, it is known as the console. Okay. Next question will be, who invented the mechanical calculator for adding the numbers? Today itself, making the thousands of calculations or crores of calculations become very easier. But in older days, adding the numbers become a big task. So they invented different. Charles Babbage invented computer. Okay, Newton invented gravity and so many laws. For action, there is each and every action there is equal and opposite reaction. That is a Newton law. Next, James Gosling is invented Java language. Okay, another inventions also will be explained, which was very important for exams. Inventor of WWW is Tim Berners-Lee, and inventor of C language. Who is the inventor of C language? C language is Dennis Ritchie. These are the main questions which was frequently asked. Okay, here asked thing will be for adding the numbers. Who invented the mechanical calculator? That is Pascal is the correct answer. Okay, let's look at the answer, Pascal. And last and final question of this session will be, what is the use of the file extension? Okay, I want to answer this question with the help of you only. Okay, I am giving some extensions which are very known by you. MP3, MP4, next JPG, next very familiar thing will be PDF, and will be document file, and will be XLX. By looking this extension, we will definitely solve it is a audio file. By seeing this extension, we can easily say it is an video file. By looking this extension, we can easily say that it is an image. By looking this extension, it is a PDF file. By looking this extension, we can easily say it is a Word document. By looking this extension, we can easily say it is an Excel document. Okay, Excel document. What is the use of these? These are known as the file extensions. Then what is the use of these file extensions? To identify the file type. Okay, this is the I am also giving some more examples of file types. Okay, zip for compression file, AVI video file, and AMR audio file. Another things will be .accdb, Microsoft Access and data that is database file. Similarly, .pptx PowerPoint file. Similarly, we have different kind of extensions for each and every file. I am thinking that I have at least useful for you in your exam, for at least getting somewhat idea of these questions before verifying anything. If you learn the concept, it will be very easier for you. That is main motto of me. So I am giving this information for you to attempt to give better performance in your exams. Okay, with this I am closing the part 5. Thank you friends from the MSR Webtech YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share and like our videos to encourage us to share our videos to your friends, because they also want to get helpful. If you feel helpful, only share our videos. Otherwise, please omit this, because I don't want to uh, pressure you for sharing my videos, because if you feel that it will be useful, then please share that. Otherwise, don't share our videos. Mm, okay, because it will getting their time wasted in, because they may have different types of goals. So share your our videos friends for getting the good marks in your upcoming exams. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you very much friends from the MSR Webtech YouTube channel.